Change the battery on the ThinkPad. So we're going to remove the 4 screws. There's one here, there, there, there. And this one is one on top. Forgot to mention it's 5. So the small battery is considered the front. The one in the front is the back. Basically, they're kind of backwards. So we're gonna remove this one, this screw. Here's a replacement. As you can tell, it's just gonna go into place like so. Just be careful because back here, the battery slides into there. You just got a real small screwdriver. I just put it right here. It pops up, as you can tell. Be careful, don't lose those screws. Very simple. Then we're gonna put the screws back. So now I put the screws back in there. 1, 2, I even put the tape. And you just go ahead and put the cover back on. And tighten up the bolts. When you put the cover on, it has these little slits. So make sure you put those in there first. Then you lay it down. Once it's on there, you can just kind of push down a little bit. Initially didn't turn on because I figured the battery was charged. So it's showing that the new battery does not come charged. So we're gonna allow it to charge and then see how it goes from there. It's charging. It told me it's charged. I unplugged it. So we're just gonna let it charge. So it's good to go.